Hey guys, how are you all? Welcome back to the channel again. In today's video, I'm going to show you that how can you connect your mobile phone or how can you connect your iPhone's WhatsApp to your laptop WhatsApp. So the step is very simple. You just have to enable or open Chrome browser or any type of browser on your laptop and search for the WhatsApp web there and let it be just, and I will show you that how can you do it on your phone, the steps of your phone. Firstly, we just need to update our WhatsApp application because this feature is only available in the latest WhatsApp version. So just go on the App Store and update your WhatsApp from there. After that, open your WhatsApp here on your screen like this is my chat option. You can see I will click on the right bottom of screen called my setting. In setting, you will see the third option called linked device. Click on that, and here you can see the menu to link a new device or a new laptop from your WhatsApp of your iPhone. Click on the link device and it will demand for your Face ID. You just need to verify yourself. After that, you can see this is the QR code by which I can just log in into my account. You can see this is my camera here, and I just have to scan a QR code presented on my laptop desktop screen whenever I will open WhatsApp web on my laptop, any Chrome browser or Safari browser. So this is the video. Thank you so much for watching it. If you have any question, any query or any type of confusion regarding any topic, so just tap that topic into the comment section. We will definitely make a separate video on that topic soon. Keep loving, keep watching.